Okay, so you're gonna start off by holding the deck in a dealer's grip like so, and then you're gonna switch the grip of your left thumb to over here and place your pinky over here. So now you're holding the deck like so. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna break the deck into a Z grip like so, okay? And then you're gonna drop this center packet on top of your pinky, and then you're gonna break another packet with your left thumb over here. And once you're in this position, you're now going to use your right index and pivot a single card about your right middle, okay? Contact the other end with your pinky, and this card is now going to rotate about your middle, or your right middle and left pinky. Complete the rotation, allow the card to drop so it aligns with this packet over here, and you're going to continuously do it however much you want. So this is like a continuous loop. And once you're done, what you're going to do now is you're going to pivot this thumb and switch the grip of this packet over here, this one, to your pinky, okay? So now you're holding the packet between your left thumb and left pinky. You're going to place your right thumb over here now, and you're basically going to do the worm. So basically when you're doing the worm, you're going to release your thumb from here. So you're holding these two packets in scissor cut, and now you're going to extend this packet in the middle one and extend your index. So now this is the worm, and you're going to for the closer of the worm, you're now simply going to just follow along by placing this center packet on top of this one, closing the swing cut packet, the scissor cut packet, sorry, and you're going to hold this packet between your thumb and index. Use your index to basically pivot this packet about your left index, and you're simply going to do trigger by Nikolai.